Hello everyone. In this video lecture, we are going to cover the following topics. First is IMG tag, second is font tag, and third one is P tag. So let's start with our first topic, that is IMG tag. IMG tag is used to insert an image in a web page. Images can improve the design and appearance of an web page. To insert an image, IMG tag is used. IMG tag is a empty tag. It contains attributes only and does not have any closing tag. We also insert an animated images like GIF in our HTML code. So IMG tag also has some attributes like src, alt, height, width and border that we will see in our example code. Our second topic is font tag. The font tag was used in HTML4 but not allowed in HTML5. It displayed the formatted text. What do you mean by formatted text? It displays the text with different fonts, colors and specified size. It also has some attributes that we will see in our example code. Our third tag is P tag. It's a paragraph tag, and P tag is used to insert a paragraph on our web page. Now we will see an example code so you can understand how to insert an image, how to give or how to format a text using font tag, and how to insert an paragraph in our code. I have written a HTML code side by side. Side by side the output. Okay. So we have started with our basic structure, that is HTML, head, title. In title I have written web page, then title close, head close. Then the main tag is body tag. I have written BG color as a yellow and text as a red. I have used here center because I want all my content at the center of my web page. I have used one heading, that is H1, written as my web page. Then I have insert an image. Then I use a font tag, and then I have used a paragraph tag. First, what we have to do is, if we have to add an image on a web page, we have to copy that image in our folder. Okay, so I have already copied desert.jpg file in my folder where I have already saved my HTML file. Here is tags is my HTML document. You can see here HTML document, type of that file HTML document, and desert is my image file. So I have written here IMG, that is image tag, then compulsory attribute of image, that is src. src stands for source. Okay, it specifies the path to the image. That means here as a value we have to write image name that we have copied in our folder. But in this we have to remember one point, that if here d is small in desert, d is small, here we also write d is small. It's a case sensitive, so you have to be very careful while writing the value of source or image file name. Then the second attribute is alt. Alt specifies an alternative text for the image. The alt attribute provides an alternate text for an image if the user for some reason cannot view it because of slow connection, an error in the source attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader. What does it mean? alt करने क्या वाला है? अगर आपका इमेज यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीज़न, सो आपने जो भी यहाँ पे वैल्यू लिखा है इन alt, वो एज इट इज़ आपको इन द प्लेस ऑफ दिस इमेज दिखेगा. दिखने वाला है. ओके, सपोज मैंने यहाँ पे स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक कर दिया. Simply save the file and refresh it. Okay, so you can see here जो भी मैंने यहाँ पे अल्ट में लिखा है वो यहाँ पे मुझे एज अ डेजर्ट डिस्प्ले हो रहा है. मैंने वापस करेक्ट किया, सिंपली फाइल को सेव किया, देन अगेन ऑन इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर रिफ्रेश द पेज. आ गया यहाँ पे पेज. ओके, यू कैन सी ये जो माउस पॉइंटर है उसके टूल टिप में भी आपको डेजर्ट करके दिख रहा है. ओके, सो अल्ट का काम आप सबको समझ में आया, अल्ट क्या करता है. देन आवर थर्ड एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ इमेज टैग इज हाइट. ओके, सो हाइट क्या करने वाला है. हाइट स्पेसिफाइज हाइट ऑफ एन इमेज. दिस इज द हाइट ऑफ एन इमेज. द वैल्यू ऑफ हाइट यू कैन राइट इन पिक्सल और इन परसेंट ऑल्सो. मैंने यहाँ पे पिक्सल में वैल्यू लिया है, दैट इज 450 पिक्सल्स. देन नेक्स्ट एट्रीब्यूट इज विड्थ. तो विड्थ स्पेसिफाइज द विड्थ ऑफ एन इमेज. दिस इज द विड्थ ऑफ एन इमेज. सेम you can write the value of width is in pixel or in percent. I have written in pixel, that is 550 pixels. So here my width is 550 pixel. And the next attribute is border, and I have written the value is 3. Okay, so border displays border around the image. You can see the border, black color border. Okay, so border size is 3. Thickness of this border is 3. Then we are done with the image tag. Then next tag is font tag. Okay, so font tag क्या करता है, फॉर्मेट करता है टेक्स्ट को. राइट, फॉर्मेटिंग मीन्स different font, different colors and specified size. So here I have written font tag. The first attribute of font tag is face. Okay, and I have written the value is Lucida handwriting in double quotes. तो डबल कोट्स में क्यों लिखना है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या है, 2 वर्ड्स है एंड 2 वर्ड्स के बीच में स्पेस है. अगर आप यहाँ पे डबल कोट्स नहीं लिखोगे तो ये सिर्फ लूसीडा एज अ कंसिडर करेगा फेस का वैल्यू. सो लूसीडा ऐसा कोई हमारा फेस का नाम है नहीं. सो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, जब भी यहाँ पे 2 वर्ड्स होंगे एज अ वैल्यू तो हमें वो पूरा वर्ड किस में लिखना है, डबल कोट्स में लिखना है. सो आई हैव रिटन लूसीडा हैंडराइटिंग इन डबल कोट्स. यू कैन सी हियर दिस पैराग्राफ and this heading both has different faces. Why? Because I have used here for this paragraph I have used font tag and not for heading, that's why. Okay, the next attribute I have used is color is equal to blue and size is 6. Okay, in between font tag I have used paragraph tag. So why we use p tag or paragraph tag? To insert an paragraph in web page. Okay, so I have written a paragraph in between opening of p and closing of p. Okay, and this whole paragraph I have written in font tag. Why? Because I want to apply this whole style to this specific paragraph. Okay, so in p tag I have written a paragraph, that is this is an image of a desert, etc etc. Then I have closed p tag, then font tag close. Okay, then our body close and HTML close. So we have done with our program. Let's revise it. First we have added image tag to insert an image on our web page. To insert an image we write img. After that compulsory attribute of img tag, that is source. Source specifies the path to the image. So as a value of source we have to write the image file name that we have already copied in our folder. Then second attribute is alt. Alt specifies alternate text for the image. The alt attribute provides an alternate name for an image if the user for some reason cannot view the image. Okay, so I have written the value of alt as a desert, name of that image. Then third attribute is height, then width. Both take values in pixels also and in percent also. And the last attribute of img tag is border. Border displays the border around an image. The thickness of border I have written here 3. Then the next tag is font tag. Why we use font tag? To format our text. Formatting means to display a text in different fonts, colors and specified size. Here you can see the difference between this paragraph and heading. I have written face ka value Lucida handwriting. You can see here the face is different from this heading. Then color is also different. Heading का color है red and paragraph का color है blue. Then size I have written 6. Then in this font tag I have inserted a paragraph. So this style is applied to this paragraph. I have written in paragraph that is this is an image. You can write anything which you want. Then simply close the p tag. Then close font tag because it's a pair tag. Then close body and close HTML. You can see here p tag is also closed. Then h1 is also closed. Font closed, body closed, HTML closed. Every tag has their closing tag, but image tag does not have a closing tag because this tag is empty tag. Empty tag means it contains attributes but not have a closing tag. So you don't close the img tag. This is wrong. Okay, so simply we just have to write img tag, then their attributes. That's it. Okay, so hoping that everyone has understood these tags. If you have any doubt, comment below and tell what difficulties you are having. For the notes of these topics, you can simply go to the description box. There we have provided a link of the notes. Simply click on that. You will get the notes of all topics which we have covered in these lectures. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone.